How to use Bumble video chat. Want to take your Bumble conversation into the next level? Let's use Bumble video chat to connect face to face. Open the Bumble app and go to the chat screen by tapping the Bumble icon at bottom. See the match you want to video chat with. Inside the chat, tap the video camera icon at top right corner. Bumble will ask for camera and microphone permission. Tap allow so you can start the call. The match will receive a notification. Once they accept, video chat begins. You can see each other with live wave and chat in real time. To end the call, tap the red pool icon. Video chat is a great way to verify your match, get to know them better, and make sure you click before meeting in person. And that's it. You are now ready to use Bumble video chat for fun, safe, and instant face-to-face conversation. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Bumble tutorials. Catch you in the next one.